Hi kids, it's Mr. Adam, Art, and Petrie. And today we are going to learn a little fun way to help us clean up. Clean up? It's not my favorite. You know what? It's not my favorite either. But I learned a song and somehow it seems to make it just go faster. Faster cleanup? Cool. All right, so what happens is when you're cleaning something up, you just kind of repeat cleanup time and do it with a tune and try to make it fun. Okay, let me try. All right, first we're gonna look. Mr. Adam's Legos are on the floor and our activity is finished. We need to do cleanup time. Are you ready to do it fast? Uh-huh. All right, here we go. Cleanup time, cleanup time, cleanup time, cleanup time, cleanup time, cleanup time. Boys and girls, it's cleanup time. Good job. 'Cause it's cleanup time. It's cleanup time. Cleanup time. Boys and girls, it's cleanup time. It is, and guess what? We are finished. All our toys are away, and our Legos are where they need to be. Guess what? We did it because we did it fast. We can also do it in a different tune, so you can be like, we clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up, clean. We clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up, clean. You're right. Or you can make it to the sound of any other song you'd like. But when you sing it, somehow it just seems to go faster. So guess what? That is a cleanup time song. Good job. Yay! Thanks for watching. And guess what? If you need help cleaning up, you can try singing a song and see if it goes faster. Bye.